Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download and install Adobe Scan on Android and iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download and install Adobe Scan on your iPhone, first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your App Store. Then once inside the App Store, in the bottom search bar, what you need to do here is type in Adobe Scan. Then once your search result loads, what you need to do is simply tap on the app icon like this, and that's your Adobe Scan for PDF and OCR scanner. Then in order to download it, simply tap on Get and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully install the app on your iPhone. Then once done, all you gotta do is simply tap on Open, and then you'll be able to sign in with your Adobe ID, or you use Google or Facebook to log in if prompted. Signing in lets you save and sync scans to Adobe Document Cloud. Now if you're using an Android, what you need to do is follow the same steps by opening up your Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. If you don't have a Play Store, you can simply search Adobe Scan in your store search box. Then in the search bar, type Adobe Scan and select the official app by Adobe for Adobe Scan PDF and OCR scanner like this. Then simply tap on Install and then wait for the installation to complete. Once done, simply open up the app and then sign in with your Adobe account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.